Look at that big banner there advertising to everyone who wants to know. It's the Divyang Premier League 2021 at the iconic Sharjah Cricket Stadium. Wonderful visuals here. Like you mentioned, there is the assistant coach of the Divyang national team, Mr. Deepak. Had a very enlightening conversation with him. And of course, Mr. Ramesh, the wheelchair captain of the Indian team. Such amazing stories. They have overcome so much adversity to achieve what they have for them.
I believe, yes it is. 121 for 6. It's all going pear-shaped for the Night Fighters.
Feel the happiness on their face, and it's a big opportunity for them to play here in Sharjah, and I'm sure they will take.
Now the rest of the team will have to ensure that
Absolutely, and of course it's the holy month of Ramadan here in the UAE, so wishing everyone a happy and blessed Ramadan Kareem. Stay safe, support us from home, and of course stop. Hit away to the cover fielder for a quick single. Look at that, man. Unbelievable. And he's fielding at backward point, the most difficult and most, high traffic area in cricket.
he had stopped. The ball is being passed to him. He is throwing the ball to the bowler.
Mr. Haroon Rashid, Mr. Mazhar Khan, Mr. Sabantar Kumar, and on the extreme right, the assistant coach of this tournament, Mr. Kamboj. Very nice person. Had a chat with each of them.
Look at that. It's a slow flighted delivery. Chirag comes underneath the ball, positions himself well and takes it beautifully. Really well done there, Chirag.
Mr. Kamboj in the background, the assistant coach. Very hard working organizing committee.
मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म था कि जब मैं कोच अपॉइंट हुआ तो मुझे सबसे बड़ा जो एक गॉड गिफ्ट लगा लीजिए कि गॉड गिफ्ट मिला था एशिया कप। तो एशिया कप में मैंने सभी जो इंडिया के दिव्यांग प्लेयर्स थे उनका कैंप किया।
मतलब नॉर्मल क्रिकेटिंग कोच थे जिसने अडेप्ट किया अपने आप को।
एक्चुअली सर जब एनालाइज किया जब मैंने तो उसमें नॉर्मल क्रिकेटर के बेसिक सिखाए जाते हैं।
हाँ।
और उसमें कोई स्पेशल ऐसे कोई भी बेसिक नहीं होते जो हम दिव्यांग प्लेयर्स को सिखाएं। बट मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज था कि इन दिव्यांग प्लेयर्स को कैसे मोटिवेट किया जाए, क्योंकि बहुत से चैलेंज थे कि किसी का हाथ नहीं है, किसी का पाम नहीं है। और कई ऐसे भी प्लेयर्स थे जिनके दोनों हाथ नहीं थे, तो उनको हम कैसे गाइड कर सकते हैं। तो बहुत मुश्किल था मेरे लिए, बट सब सिचुएशन के हिसाब से हमने जब देखा है।
Hit over square leg, that is going to go all the way. Beautiful shot there from the captain Chirag Gandhi. Maximum. And umpire Mohammad Rafi is losing his balance.
In fact, that shot deserves a standing applause. What a shot, and that was needed. With one hand, he could hit it.
Mr. Deepak and ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a fantastic performer amongst us, the captain of Kolkata Knight Fighters, Shubro. Shubro, come up, bro. Well, a fantastic champion and a fantastic team. Just that couldn't cross the line at the finals, but what a performance.